Welcome back to Talk of the Town. The Roots and Rivers Festival is happening on September 12th to benefit BlacQuity. And we have the headliner, we have Stee and his band, Ear Candy Band, who will be performing. And we have Sonya Grant, who is representing BlacQuity today and is working on the festival as well. So y'all are kind of childhood friends? I didn't know that. When we say childhood, like 3, 4, 5?
A little older than that.
Like older?
8, 9.
Okay. All right, so you're back together working on the festival.
Back together, we never did.
We never left each other.
No, we find this is the first time we're working together on anything, actually.
Yes. All right, so let's start with BlacQuity. And you have been a part of BlacQuity. You actually went through some of the classes.
I did. I was a part of the very first cohort. BlacQuity is such a special program. It reaches the entrepreneurs that aren't often reached in the mainstream. And it's a wonderful opportunity to grow as a business person, as a business owner.
Right.
And it's just incredible.
And so the Roots and Rivers Festival really showcases a lot of the vendors and a lot of these businesses. Is that right?
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. It gives the community a first-hand experience with the vendors, and which is great because not everybody has a commercial space to get into or go to. So you have an opportunity to experience them in their element and the products that they've created.
Okay, it's going to be on September 12th. That is a Saturday. And it's from 2 to 8. But Stee is going to be performing starting at 4.
Correct.
It's Oyster. Is it Oyster Park?
Yes.
Oyster Factory Park in Bluffton.
Yes.
So good to see you, Stee.
Good to see you. It's good to be back. I know. It has been a while.
About a year ago.
Yes.
All right. So what are you planning for your entertainment?
Oh my goodness. I mean, you already know what you get when it comes to me. I mean, I think everybody knows by now. But we put together a really nice show. I wanted to do something kind of different. I'm not going to give away too much, but to bring to Roots and Rivers, we're doing a couple things we've never done before, which is going to be really exciting. That's why you need to be there at 2 to warm up. Make sure you get with the vendors and everything like that so that you can have time to get ready for the 4 o'clock show. Because we're really excited about this.
But you're a busy man, in your band. And so
Yeah.
why is it important for you to take time away from you were saying you're traveling, going to LA, doing all kinds of stuff, to support this festival?
Oh, it means a lot to me. As a matter of fact, I went to the festival last year and nobody knew.
You did? No, I knew.
You knew. Yeah, she knew. I brought my niece and nephew to the festival, and it was so cool to see so many of the vendors. Not only, you have people that craft things there, which is so cool. And back to what Sonya was saying about them not having a commercial space.
Yes.
My niece is an artist, and there was so many incredible artists there, and she was so inspired. And I said to myself, well, this is so cool. I didn't even know that this was happening. And we went just because we wanted to go out. It was just like, their parents were off doing things and being busy. I said, so let's go and see what's going on. And the kids were inspired. So how could I not be inspired to want to be a part of this?
So the festival's for everyone.
Correct.
It's for children, it's for adults, there'll be great food, great music.
Yes. Duh. I'm kidding.
Are you proud of him?
No, don't
stop.
We're proud of each other.
No, but
are you proud of her?
Of course.
But let's start with you, Sonya.
I've seen Stee sing from the start.
Yeah.
We used to sing in the living room all the time with the flashlights as spotlights.
Spotlights, yeah.
So to see how far his career has come and his diligence is extremely.
I paid her. I paid her to say that. I paid her. Don't cash the check to the first though, because I ain't got no money. But I paid her.
So isn't it exciting to see people that your friends from childhood be so successful? Not only you, but also you too, Sonya.
Absolutely. Gullah Tees and Tings. Are you kidding me? Just wanted to shout it out.
Shameless plug.
Yeah, it was shameless. It was shameless, incredible. I mean, are you kidding me? And I love to see it, and it's inspiring. It's iron sharpening iron.
How about a quick little hug?
Absolutely. Are you kidding me?
All right.
We don't even call her Sonya, we call her Sony. Well, I do. Everybody's got nicknames.
All right, we want to remind everyone, Roots and Rivers Festival will be on September the 12th. Come on out at 2 o'clock at Oyster Factory Park in Bluffton. But
I wanted to let everybody know, you can get tickets straight from Facebook.com/Stee Music World, Stee Music. And I have all the links to where you can purchase the tickets because we want to see you guys there. This is a great organization to support and the festival to go to. You won't be disappointed. I'm just letting you know. It's going to be fun.
Be there or be square.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you, Sonya and Stee. And we'll be right back.